add a fill, you really want to focus a lot of your attention along the base. I really strongly suggest using a cleansing brush that has fine bristles. The reason why we're using a fine bristled brush is because that base is where the dirt will collect. So the base meaning the point where the extensions and the natural lash meet. It's like the perfect place to collect dust, dirt, and debris. So we want to make sure we cleanse in there really well, because if we don't, we're not going to get that attachment that we would like, that magnetic bond between the natural lash and the extension. And if we don't get that, we could have poor retention. I also like, while I'm at it, just to put a little bit on a mascara wand, just for extra, and brush along that base as well. And don't worry, our cleanser is so gentle that even if a little bit gets in the eye, it's not gonna burn the client or anything. Should be okay. Now, since we've gotten so close to that lash line and we've really went in there with a lot of cleanser, it's equally as important to make sure it's all gone. Remember, when you're doing a fill, no rubbing the eyes, just patting. But make sure you're getting along that lash line again. We want all that product to be gone.